It's too far gone.
Why?
The car will never be worth what you're about to spend.
You won't ever find all the parts.
You're wasting your time. You're a fool.
It'll never see the road again.
Hello everybody, welcome to Stnm. Today we're just going to go through a quick video of why we're doing this project with the 79 Trans Am, why we're actually about to try and bring this car back to the road. Over the past couple weeks, we have started a group on Facebook before we started YouTube talking about restoring this car. Since then, I've had a couple remarks about the car itself, whether it's been too gone, far gone, or whether it's been, it's going to be more of a headache. And it's just comes from random people. The clip at the beginning of this video, let me go ahead and get this part straight. All of them people are just friends of mine that I had put in. None of them has said this. All of them that has said that that for this video has actually been behind us. The main reason why we're wanting to go ahead and build this car is we're not worried about how much the car is going to be worth at the end of it. The value of this car won't mean nothing compared to the memories that we're going to have in the future of us and the family, because you've seen John, he's basically his family. My wife Cassie, which is standing behind the camera right now, and just a couple friends that's going to be over here off and on that you'll see working on this car and other projects we have. All that's going to be worth more than the value of the car to us. Granted, yeah, it's going to cost us a lot. We understand that. We knew that from the beginning. We know this car is basically going to be built from the ground up. And literally, if you see the first picture, it was literally on the ground besides the front end. We also already know that it will take, quite a bit of time to find the parts that we want and everything else. The good thing behind this car, as you see, it's already been completely stripped down. No interior, no carpeting, no motor, no trans. It has the original rear end, but it's not in the car as you've seen in the past videos. It's basically a build it how you want it car, and that's what we were looking for a build like this. As far as updates about the car, we have figured out that the steering box is not locked up. You can turn it. It's just that the tilt itself is broke, which we will be pulling the column at that other car here shortly. Within the following week, you're going to see a couple updates about pulling different parts off of these other cars that's out here to help with the restoration of this car. For everybody that's watching this video now, I will say this: I am open to all your comments. Just leave it down below in the description. Right below the description, go to the comment box. Leave your comments. I'm open for it. Whether you want to say something negative about the car or positive about the car. Because for all the people who actually do think negative, it just ain't doing nothing besides driving our inspiration to bring this car up even harder. Yeah, like I said, we know it's going to take time. We know that to most people, this car ain't worth a dime, and probably won't be worth but a couple $1,000 by the time it's said and done. And that we're going to have way over that whenever we do. We do currently have a couple communications with a couple people, a couple of our friends for the powertrain on this. We're not going to release what it is that we're looking at, because we're looking at a couple of different options to go with the car. And again, that's one of those things, leave a comment about it. Let us hear what you had to think about the car. Let us know what you would do. Give us ideas, because who knows? We might take one of y'all's ideas and put it into the car itself. It's...
On that note, though, any ideas, if we do go with one of your ideas, you will get a free t-shirt. I had something to go along with it in the end of this.
To show our cooperation with the viewers and everything else. I mean, we're friendly oriented. I mean, we look at all of our subscribers that we're getting, and I appreciate everybody who has came and subscribed. Thank you. That just shows that much more about how this channel could possibly grow. Now, I'm not looking for 1,000 subscribers in a couple of months or nothing like that. I doubt we even get that far. But we will here soon, like I said, be coming up with more stuff. We have plenty that we can do with the car right now. I mean, with getting the rear end out, putting the rear end in, doing floor pans, doing a trunk pan. Like I said in the past video, we're currently looking for the back window, we're looking for the T-tops. Even if you know somebody who has an old car that's in worse condition than this, then you might be able to get parts off of it for us. Let us know, we'll talk about prices and stuff, and we'll go from there. Reach out to us, let us know. We can use y'all's help with this car just as much as anything else. But back to the main subject of the story. Value about this car means nothing. Future cars that we might build, you know, whether we find old classics like this that we love to build, or we find newer vehicles to build. Yeah, they might come up for sale just depending upon what they are after we get done, or we might, you know, do something with them. But as far as this car here, we're not looking for this car to go anywhere anytime soon. I'm looking for my kids, our kids, to grow up and have something to enjoy. You know, something that I can sit back and say, hey, our kids are enjoying this car and we built this car. And again, like I said, that's going to mean more to me, my wife, and my friends than any amount of value that this car could ever go for. And with that being said, like I said again, if you want to continue watching all over. If not, hey, stay tuned, because we do have other projects going to be coming on to the channel. But until then, hit that like button, subscribe, and remember folks, smoke tires, not matter.